Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. LockNLube Grease Gun Coupler locks onto Zerk fittings. Locks on, does not leak, grease goes in, not on the machine. LockNLube's unique sliding sleeve ensures that when the jaws are locked onto the Zerk, a leak-proof seal is created. Rated to 10,000 psi. No matter what grease gun you use, the LockNLube grease coupler will not leak or pop off at any pressure up to 10,000 psi. Easily releases with the thumb lever. No more fighting and twisting to disconnect. Only rebuildable coupler. All LockNLube couplers include a rebuild kit. Simply replace the seal and jaws and it is as good as new equals lowest lifetime cost. Number 2. LockNLube Grease Gun Coupler XL, extra reach for recessed grease fittings. Rated to 10,000 psi. Locks on, stays on. Does not leak once locked on. Hands-free, does not pop off under pressure. Easily release from fittings with the thumb lever, even at extreme pressure. Fits all standard grease guns, 1/8 NPT fitting. Fits all SAE and metric Zerk fittings. Simply replace your existing coupler. Over 3.5 of reach. Great for shielded PTO shafts, axles, harvester heads, U-joints and other recessed grease fittings. Includes rebuild kit. Easily replace seal and jaws without replacing the coupler. Number 3. LockNLube 90° Grease Coupler Adapter. Spring-loaded collar for extra sturdy connection. Easily connect to LockNLube and other couplers when needed. 3 hardened steel jaws, rubber seal, and check valve make a tight, reliable connection. Right angle adapter for hard-to-reach fittings. Number 4. LockNLube Easy Prime Lever Grease Gun. Easy priming, unique plastic follower and vacuum suction means easy priming every time. High pressure, 10,000 psi maximum pressure remains constant up to 40,000 priming cycles. No leaks. Reusable plastic follower means no dripping grease. LockNLube coupler means no leaks from the top. Storage. Features loop and lock storage design. Lightweight. No follower plate or follower rod needed makes the gun lighter and more compact than anything on the market. Number 5. LockNLube Heavy Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun. LockNLube Grease Coupler locks on, stays on. Doesn't leak. Loop and lock storage feature keep you clean. 20. Heavy duty hose and inline hose swivel. Rubber grip and ergonomic handle.